Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's find home screen and wallpaper. Now let's tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got pre-installed options. We also have our gallery, so of course you can set your own photo as a wallpaper, and under them you've got more wallpapers, so you can enter the themes from which you can download some online wallpapers. Of course here we've got paid ones, but also you can tap on free, so you will be able to download some options which are free of charge. But let me focus on those which are pre-installed. Let me choose for example nature, and in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, so see how it will look like on the full screen, simply tap on it, and this is how it will look like on the exterior screen, which means this screen, and interior screen, which I'll show you later on. So this is the screen which is opened. Here you've got this blur option, and that was a misclick, sorry. Again, let me quickly go there. Here we've got the blur option, so after tapping on this drop icon, you can change the level of the blurriness. By going to the left, you can make it sharp, and to the right, much more blurred, up to you. And if you're happy with the results, tap on this tick icon in the right lower corner. Now you can decide where you want to set the wallpaper, so on the lock screen, home screen, or both. So let me choose both option, let me tap on it. And we can go back. As you can see, the wallpaper has been applied to this screen. Let's check the other screen also. So let me open it, and as you can see, we've got the wallpaper applied right here also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.